Did you know that mutations can lead to genetic disorders? It's fascinating how a tiny change in our DNA can have such a big impact. Some disorders are inherited, while others can occur spontaneously. Imagine living with a condition like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. These mutations can affect everything from our health to our appearance. Understanding genetics helps us find better treatments and support. Let's raise awareness about these conditions and support those affected.
So, mutations are like the unexpected plot twists in our DNA story. There are three main types of mutations: substitutions, insertions, and deletions. Substitutions are like swapping one letter in a book for another. Insertions add extra letters, changing the whole narrative. Deletions take away letters, leaving gaps in the story. Each type can lead to different outcomes, some good, some bad. So, mutations can be a wild ride. Embrace the unexpected. So I'm supposed to be perfect, but my genes have other plans? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I embrace it in 3 steps. Step 1. Understand that mutation is just a part of life. We are evolving, not failing. Step 2. Learn about your unique traits. Perfect time to appreciate what makes you, you. Final step. Celebrate your differences like they're superpowers. Boom! Embrace your uniqueness. No shame required. Y'all see this? Use code GENE20 for a nice discount on genetic testing. Or keep hiding. Your choice.
Chromosomal mutations are fascinating changes in our DNA that can lead to significant variations in organisms. These mutations can happen in several ways, like deletions, duplications, or even translocations of chromosome segments. Imagine a book where a few sentences are missing or repeated. That's what happens in our genetic code. Sometimes these mutations can cause genetic disorders, but they can also drive evolution, giving rise to new traits. For instance, the extra chromosome in Down syndrome is a result of such a mutation. So, while they can be harmful, chromosomal mutations are also a key part of the diversity of life on Earth.
Visste du att mutationer i vårt DNA är en av de främsta drivkrafterna bakom evolution? När celler delar sig kan små fel uppstå, vilket leder till förändringar i generna. Vissa mutationer är harmlösa, medan andra kan orsaka sjukdomar som cancer. Fascinerande nog kan mutationer också ge fördelar, som ökad motståndskraft mot sjukdomar. Tänk på hur vissa människor är immun mot HIV på grund av en mutation. Genom att studera dessa förändringar kan forskare förstå livets komplexitet och till och med utveckla nya behandlingar. Mutationer är verkligen naturens sätt att experimentera.
Mutations are fascinating changes in our DNA that can happen for several reasons. First, there are spontaneous mutations, which occur naturally during DNA replication. Imagine your day as a book. Sometimes, a typo slips through. Then, we have induced mutations caused by external factors like radiation or chemicals. Think of it as a book getting damaged by fire or water. Environmental influences like UV rays from the sun can also lead to mutations. Interestingly, while some mutations can cause diseases, others might give us new traits that help us adapt. So, mutations are like nature's way of experimenting with life.
So, what exactly is a mutagen? It's a substance that causes changes in DNA, leading to mutations. These mutations can affect how cells function, sometimes leading to diseases. Mutagens can be found in chemicals, radiation, and even some viruses. Understanding mutagens is crucial for science and health. So, next time you hear the term, remember, it's all about DNA and change. Genetic disorders come in various forms, each with unique challenges. There are single gene disorders like cystic fibrosis caused by mutations in a single gene. Then we have chromosomal disorders, such as Down syndrome, where an extra chromosome affects development. Multifactorial disorders, like heart disease, arise from a mix of genetics and environment. Lastly, mitochondrial disorders impact energy production in cells, leading to a range of symptoms. Understanding these types helps us appreciate the complexity of genetics and the importance of research in finding treatments.
Single gene mutations are fascinating because they can lead to significant changes in an organism. Take sickle cell anemia, for example. A single mutation in the hemoglobin gene causes red blood cells to become misshapen, leading to pain and fatigue. Then there's cystic fibrosis, where a mutation in the CFTR gene disrupts salt balance, causing thick mucus in the lungs. These mutations show how one tiny change in our DNA can have profound effects on health. It's a reminder of the complexity of life and how even the smallest alterations can shape our existence.
Sickle cell anemia is a genetic blood disorder that affects millions worldwide. Imagine your red blood cells, usually round and flexible, turning into a crescent shape like a sickle. This change makes it hard for them to flow through blood vessels, leading to pain crises and fatigue. It's caused by a mutation in the hemoglobin gene, and while it's most common in people of African descent, it can affect anyone. Treatment options like hydroxyurea can help manage symptoms, but there's no universal cure yet. Living with sickle cell means navigating challenges, but many find strength in community and resilience. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic condition that affects the lungs and digestive system, causing thick, sticky mucus to build up. This can lead to severe respiratory issues and difficulty absorbing nutrients. Imagine trying to breathe through a straw while your body struggles to get the energy it needs. People with cystic fibrosis often face daily treatments, like inhalers and enzyme supplements, just to stay healthy. Advances in research are promising, with new therapies that target the underlying cause of the disease. It's a tough journey, but the resilience of those living with cystic fibrosis is truly inspiring.
La hemofilia es una condición genética que afecta la capacidad de la sangre para coagularse. Imagina que un pequeño corte puede convertirse en un gran problema. Esto sucede porque falta un factor de coagulación, que son proteínas esenciales para detener el sangrado. En Chile, hay alrededor de 1.200 personas diagnosticadas. Los síntomas incluyen moretones fáciles y sangrados prolongados. Aunque no hay cura, los tratamientos han avanzado mucho, permitiendo a quienes la padecen llevar una vida activa. Es fundamental la detección temprana y el apoyo familiar. La hemofilia no define a una persona, pero entenderla puede cambiar vidas.
Chromosomal disorders occur when there's an abnormal number or structure of chromosomes in our cells. For instance, Down syndrome is caused by an extra copy of chromosome 21, leading to developmental challenges. Then there's Turner syndrome, where females are missing an X chromosome, affecting growth and fertility. On the flip side, Klinefelter syndrome occurs in males with an extra X chromosome, often resulting in reduced testosterone levels. These disorders remind us of the incredible complexity of human genetics and how even the smallest changes can have significant impacts on health and development. Understanding these conditions is crucial for better support and treatment options. Down syndrome is a genetic condition caused by an extra copy of chromosome 21. This unique genetic makeup can lead to various physical and intellectual challenges, but it also brings incredible strengths. People with Down syndrome often have a vibrant sense of humor and a remarkable ability to connect with others. They teach us the value of acceptance and love in our communities. Early intervention and support can help individuals reach their full potential, proving that differences can be a source of strength. Embracing diversity enriches our lives and makes the world a more colorful place.
Turner syndrome is a genetic condition that affects females caused by a missing or incomplete X chromosome. Imagine being born with a unique set of challenges: short stature, heart defects, and sometimes difficulties with fertility. But it's not just about the medical aspects, it's about resilience. Many women with Turner syndrome lead fulfilling lives, excelling in careers and forming strong relationships. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a world of difference, helping manage symptoms and promoting healthy development. It's a reminder of the strength found in diversity and the power of support in overcoming obstacles.
Klinefelter-Syndrom ist eine genetische Erkrankung, die Männer betrifft und durch ein zusätzliches X-Chromosom gekennzeichnet ist. Das bedeutet, dass statt der üblichen XY-Konstellation Betroffene XXY haben. Dies kann zu verschiedenen Symptomen führen, wie einer verminderten Testosteronproduktion, was sich auf das Wachstum von Körperbehaarung und die Muskelmasse auswirken kann. Viele Betroffene haben auch Schwierigkeiten mit der Fruchtbarkeit und können Lernschwierigkeiten haben. Doch mit der richtigen Unterstützung wie Hormontherapie und Therapie für soziale Fähigkeiten können viele ein erfülltes Leben führen. Es ist wichtig, das Bewusstsein für diese Erkrankung zu schärfen, um Stigmatisierung zu vermeiden und Betroffenen zu helfen.
Multifactorial disorders are fascinating because they arise from a complex interplay of genetics and environmental factors. Imagine a puzzle where multiple pieces, like your genes, lifestyle choices, and even your surroundings, come together to shape your health. Conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even some mental health issues fall into this category. It's not just one thing that causes them, it's a combination of risk factors. For instance, you might have a genetic predisposition to a condition, but your diet, exercise, and stress levels can tip the scales. Understanding this complexity helps us take proactive steps in managing our health, making informed choices, and even advocating for personalized treatments. It's a reminder that our bodies are intricate systems influenced by a myriad of factors. Heart disease is often called the silent killer, affecting millions without warning. It can stem from high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or even diabetes. Did you know that lifestyle choices play a huge role? Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and managing stress can significantly lower your risk. And here's a surprising fact. Laughter can actually improve heart health. So, while you're taking care of your heart, don't forget to enjoy life. Remember, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better.
A cukorbetegség egy olyan állapot, amelyben a szervezet nem tudja megfelelően kezelni a vércukorszintet. Képzeld el, hogy a hasnyálmirigyed, ami a inzulint termeli, egyszer csak leáll. Ezért fontos, hogy figyeljünk az étkezésünkre. A szénhidrátok, mint a kenyér és a tészta, gyorsan megemelik a vércukrot, ezért érdemes inkább zöldségeket és teljes kiörlésű gabonákat választani. Ráadásul a mozgás is kulcsfontosságú. Még egy rövid séta is segíthet a vércukorszint stabilizálásában. Ne feledd, a cukorbetegség nem csak egy diagnózis, hanem egy életmód, amit tudatosan kell kezelni.
Cancer is like a thief in the night, stealing lives and dreams without warning. Did you know that there are over 100 types of cancer? Each one is unique, just like fingerprints. It can start in any part of the body, often with no symptoms until it's advanced. But here's the silver lining. Early detection can be a game changer. Regular screenings and knowing your family history can save lives. Plus, advancements in research are leading to targeted therapies that are more effective and less invasive. Together, we can fight this battle, raising awareness and supporting those affected. Every small step counts in this journey against cancer.